Hey, it's Annie. Today I'm going to give you my honest review of this clip-on selfie light. Now that I had a chance to play around with this a little bit, I was able to clip this onto the side of my phone in different positions without any trouble at all. It has this little flap here to give it a little extra maneuverability, and also it gives it some grip. I think that's really clever. It was very easy to screw this in. It's super simple. I like that it's very wide and you're getting plenty of light. I mean, this is almost blinding, but it does a really good job. Again, super strong grip here. I like that. It's not going to fall off or go anywhere. It came with a USB-C charger. You can use that to charge it when it's not in use. Whoa. Yeah, this is just one of the settings. I have it on the brightest, and of course it has the different color options as well. I know it's hard to see when you've got light going into a camera like that, but now I'm going to turn her around, clip it on my phone like this. It's really nice. Okay, this is with my glasses. The shine, you could take that off. This is what it looks like when I'm up close to the camera. Very flattering. I think this is an amazing product. I'm super excited. I was waiting for it to finally arrive, and it did, and I'm so glad I got it. I wouldn't hesitate to grab one yourself if you're looking for something that's gonna help you stay mobile and get the best light possible, even in a dark room like right now. So definitely get one.